When wooden chairs are dragged on a hard floor, they make that annoyingly loud scratchy noise. Here I used an app called the Smarter Noise on a Pixel 7 Pro phone to measure it. It was as high as 100 decibels. So I need to remove the old plastic bushes and replace with butyl rubber ones. These are actually stoppers of distilled water bottles and are made of chloro or bromobutyl rubber. They are perfectly suitable for sticking to chair legs and do a wonderful job of smothering the noise. On the left hand side, the chair legs have butyl rubber shoes. Let's see the test again. The noise reduction is as much as 35 decibels, and when it reduces from 105 to 70, that's a whopping 99.95% reduction in sound energy levels. The sound pressure or sound energy level doubles with each 3 decibel increase in noise because the decibel scale is a logarithmic one. As you can see, the sound energy level has reduced to about 0.05% of its initial value. Now let's see how it is done. Now it's time to remove the old one and put the butyl rubber bushes, which are usually thrown away. These are bottle caps. You may want to clean up this area with isopropyl alcohol, because isopropyl alcohol will dry faster and remove all the dust and debris to have a good fix. And it's so simple that you can do it with one hand. The best way is to put some cyanoacrylate glue, which is acute glue, liberally, and then put the and just let it sit there for some time, maybe around 2 minutes. Now within 5 minutes is almost completely stuck, and it should absorb all the sound. I did more measurements with an HTC sound level meter, and the results confirmed a similar noise reduction efficiency. Let's see that in slow motion. Even though the chairs are dropped from a height, the noise does not exceed 70 decibels because the rubber bushes absorb the impact so well.